because it is behind the plant. Below the plant.
It's grow.
It should grow above the plant and root handle the
All
plants.
of plant.
Things we get from plant. We get food, flower, leaf, etc.
Oxygen,
Oxygen.
perfumes.
Plant is very main thing for our life. Every living thing needs plant to breathe. Thank you.